Today I have a Ford Mustang Mach-E key fob, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery inside of this particular Ford Mustang Mach-E key fob. I'm going to be showing you how to take it out and replace it with a new one. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I have the Ford Mustang Mach-E key fob in my hand. As you can see right here, it's a little solid piece of material right here, but we want to get the battery out because over time the battery will become drained and will need replacing so you can get inside of your vehicle and be able to drive it. So with that being said, we're going to get started with that. And the first thing you want to do is to replace the key fob out of this Ford Mustang Mach-E is that you have to open it up. Now, in order to open it up, most people may think that they have to just pry this open. It doesn't work that way. What you'll have to do is remove the physical key. And to remove the physical key, you'll first press this button right here. Pops that, and you see that the physical key just came out of it right here. So this is the physical key. Now that I have the physical key, I'm going to use this physical key to actually access the old battery. Now what I like to do is I tip the tip of the physical key and put it right here. Some may argue and say they want to use grandma's kitchen butter knife, but I say use the physical key that comes with it. So I took this out. Okay, and you'll see there's slots. That's where the physical key was. This is where, right here, the slot where I place the physical key in. And I simply come up here, press it a little bit, and then I twist it. You see that? And when I twist it, it pries open this panel right here. And when it pries open this panel, I'm able to get in there, and I can actually take this physical key, put it in there, and use it, actually, for it to open up right here. So once you pried it open, just pop it out like that. And then you'll see within here, is the battery. And in case you're wondering what type of battery that you'll be needing, it is the CR2450. That is the model number of the battery that you will need to replace this old battery with. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. And there's some slots right here. You could take a number 2 pencil or a big pen. You can dig it in there and pull out the actual key. I'm trying to find something as we speak. If I can find a number 2 pen or pencil, or you can find something and just jerry-rig it. But it makes sense to use a pen or something because you can actually get in there. I'm trying to find something. Maybe I can use the corner of the lid. Maybe that'll work. But you have to get in there and get underneath it. So I got underneath it. You see it came up a little bit. So you have to get up underneath it and push it that way. If I had a ballpoint pen or number 2 pencil, it would come out with ease, but I don't, so I had to do something else. So I used the end of this, poke that out right there, and now this comes out like that. And so here is the battery right here. This is the CR2450. It's a 3-volt battery. Here it is right here, and you see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and discard of this, but before you discard of it, remember that the plus sign is facing upwards. Remember that the plus side is facing upwards and the negative is down. Negative down, plus up, okay? If you need some help remembering. So I take this, remove that, get a fresh battery right here. Now, I don't think it necessarily has to be Panasonic. It could be another brand, but whatever your manufacturer recommends, I suggest you doing that. And so, with that being said, you're going to take the new battery and you're going to put it in this way. So you see these knobs right here? Okay, the battery is supposed to go in last on this side. So go ahead and take it like this, put it on there, And then once you slide it down there a little bit, you just go ahead and press it. And when you press it, it locks in behind these two notches right here to make sure it doesn't come out. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and take the back panel that you took off, just line it up, and then just line it, make sure it's lined up, and then just press it till it snaps back into place like that. And once you have that, you're going to go ahead and take your key and go ahead and press it into place like that. And there you have it. And that is how you replace the battery in a Ford Mustang Mach-E key fob. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.